5 passive income ideas that make money while you sleep, even in 2025. What if I told you there are people making thousands of dollars while binge watching Netflix, or even sleeping? Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's happening, and you can be next. Stick around because idea number 4 could be something you've never considered, but might just surprise you. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best insights on finance, business, and how to make money online. If you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 and build real wealth, hit that subscribe button. Now let's dive in. First up, what if your money could work harder than you do? That's exactly what dividend stocks do. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing free money just for owning certain stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola and Apple literally pay you for holding their shares. Invest $10,000 in high dividend stocks, and you could earn around $400 a year without lifting a finger. And here's the kicker. By reinvesting those dividends, some investors have built portfolios that pay them thousands every year in passive income. It's like planting a money tree that keeps growing. Dividend stocks offer a solid foundation, but what if you're looking for an option that doesn't require an upfront investment? Let's explore that next. Second, affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending a product you already love and getting paid every time someone buys it. Even beginners can make $100 to $500 a month, while top affiliates rake in over $10,000 monthly. No inventory, no customer service, just sharing a link. Think it sounds too simple? That's exactly why it works. While affiliate marketing thrives on sharing, what if you could turn your creativity into a steady income stream without dealing with products yourself? Here's how. Third, print on demand. Ever had a clever t-shirt idea or a cool design? With platforms like Redbubble and Teespring, you create the design. They handle the printing and shipping. Average creators earn $200 to $500 monthly, but some hit $2,000 plus a month just from viral designs. Create once, earn forever. It's like royalties without the record deal. Creative outlets like this are great, but what if you're seeking something more stable and less reliant on trends? The next idea could be just what you need. Before we jump into the fourth idea, let's crush a common myth. Safe investments don't always mean small returns. In fact, you can quietly build wealth without gambling on risky ventures. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, now offer over 5% interest annually. With $5,000 saved, that's about $250 a year. Risk-free. Your emergency fund isn't just sitting, it's working. Imagine earning money just by being responsible. Saving smart is essential, but what if you could build something once and watch it generate income for years? Let's explore an option that offers exactly that. Fifth, digital products. Ebooks, online courses, templates. Create it once and keep earning. Many people start small and soon make $500 to $1,000 per month, with some creators hitting 6 figures annually. One person even made over $100,000 selling a $29 spreadsheet. The best part? You wake up to sales notifications without lifting a finger. So which passive income idea are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've got more ways to help you build wealth. And if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, just drop a comment below. We'll make a video tailored to your wants and needs.